Good afternoon, boys and girls. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful day today, and I'm here to do calendar with you. So let's have a virtual high five. I love you, and I'm excited for you to do calendar today. All right, so let's start with today. So today is Monday. I'm going to slide all the way down here, and my first free date is the 30. So I'm going to click on the 30 and see what coin that is. Oh, it is small, and it has a torch on the back. So what coin does that make it? Did you say a dime? Great job. All right, so this here is a dime. So let's go ahead and say our day of the week. So today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. And we have one more day left in March, boys and girls, which is very exciting. All right, so if today is Monday, we need to figure out what yesterday was and what tomorrow is going to be. So go ahead and think about that. Okay, so yesterday was what? Did you say Sunday? That's correct. Great job. All right, and what will tomorrow be if today is Monday? What comes after Monday? Did you say Tuesday? Good job. All righty, we're going to keep on rolling. Oh dear, my weather graph didn't save the other day, and I apologize, but today's weather is sunny. So we will add another piece there and take that down. And it is sunny. So we've had 4 sunny days in March. Awesome. And because we did not do calendar review this week, I'm going to pop over here and do last week's. So the first thing we want to do is figure out what this number sentence is. Remember, red comes first and then yellow. I'm going to give you a few moments to fill out this bottom part of it. Make sure you get your blank, and blank is blank. All right, boys and girls, we're going to get ready to fill out our number sentence. And our number sentence starts with the red. So how many red dots do you see? 1. Good. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 right there. Oh, Moni's under my desk. She's making noises. And then I need to figure out, so 1 and what? So now I need to figure out how many yellow dots I see. And I see 4 yellow dots. I'm going to put a 4 right here. So 1 and 4 is, how many dots do I see total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5, so I'm going to put a 5 right here. So let's all read that sentence together. 1 and 4 is 5. All right, our next question. Another one. Here we have how many red dots and how many yellow dots. So go ahead and get that sentence down. Did you get your sentence down yet? Touch your nose if you're done. Good job. All right. If you are not ready, you are welcome to push pause, but I'm going to get rolling with this. So I'm going to start with my red dots. How many red dots do I see? I see 2 red dots. I'm going to put a 2 right here. Now I'm going to talk about how many yellow dots I see. What is that part? Ooh, I see 3 yellow dots. So 2 and 3 is, how many do I see total? I see 5 total. Ooh, that's not my best 5. Let me give it make it real big. Alrighty, and we are gonna keep on moving. Oh, this is parts of a number day. 1 and 2 is. Can you tell me what 1 and 2 is? Do you know the answer? All right, let's show our work. So I have 1 and 2. 1, 2. So how many do I have total? How many do I have total? Did you guys say 3? Because if you did an excellent job. So it is 3. Ooh, let's get that. There we go. And last but not least, we are going to do one less. So this number is going to be smaller than 9 and smaller than 6. So we're going to do 1 less than 9 and 1 less than 6. So go ahead and figure out what 1 less than 9 is and write it on your paper, and 1 less than 6 and write it on your paper. Alrighty, boys and girls. So I'm going to start with my 9, and I'm going to think about what 1 less than 9 is. I can use a strategy. So I can count forwards to 9 and think about the number that came first, or I can count backwards, or I can just visualize 9 in my brain and say, take 1 away. How many is it? So what answer did you put on your paper? Did you put 8? Good job. I put 8 too. So if I was going to use a strategy, I would count backwards. So I go 9, 8. 8 is 1 less. All righty. Now I'm moving on to 6. I need to figure out what comes before the 6. Sorry. Couldn't think of it in my brain. All righty. Did you put 5? Good. It is 5. And if I wanted to get to that answer, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know I said 5 right before the 6, which makes it 1 less. All right. I hope you guys had a great calendar review. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Give you another high five. I love you.